The next section in the Insert tab is Audio, and a way of adding audio into your slides that you can use the recorded audio from your system by using Audio on My PC option. In this way, you can select the audio that you have already had in your computer and add it into your slides. And also, you can add voice by clicking on the Record Audio and clicking on this red option. Record your audio. Here, the second is shown in this part. You can add a name to your audio. And to have a high quality, you can plug in a microphone to your computer. When the recording is done, click on OK, and in this way your recording will be here. I recorded this audio and it is added immediately to the slide. And now when you select this audio, like video, the two sections, I mean playback and format, are opened for it. There is no new tip in the format section. You got familiar with all these parts, and the audio playback is partially same with the video playback. We have studied all the options in the video playback. The thing that I regulate when I want to make motion graphic with PowerPoint is that I regulate it on automatically in the start section. And if I want to that audio be played in all my slides, I click on play across the slides and activate it. This means that this audio won't be played only in this slide. In this way, the audio will be played in all the slides.